Alright, so I'm back. The jack stand is the one that's holding the weight. The jack itself is actually not holding anything. I let it down onto the jack. So the game plan is to clean that up, tighten up the bolt for today, and then I might try to go looking for that coolant leak. I don't know how far I'm going to get right now, but first thing I want to do is clean that bolt head off and that area down, so that way I can see if it's continued dripping, and also so I don't round off that little bolt there, because if I did, then I got to replace that line. So yep, that's going to be the game plan. Let's see if I can try to set you guys up. $13. That coolant leak appears to be getting worse. You can see it all up there. Fun. Alright, well that actually looks like it's gonna be done. I don't see it dripping anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off a little bit more. Call it good. Not the best looking view of me, but I'm gonna call that oil leak on the coolant good. I mean, on the power steering, good. On the coolant though, I gotta figure out what's going on with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.